Buns and Ammo versus Northfield Alliance. Buns and Ammo in the blue sails, black pennies. Northfield Alliance in the pink sails and the yellow pennies. Ten seconds left. We're looking at the pin end here. Clinton Hayes and Christine Bletzer in the blue boat. Circling back, so they ended up being over there. Oh, but 20's over also, an unforced error there. That's Jesse Kirkland sailing with Ashley Phillips over the line early. And they got a long way to go back, so they end up, Clinton Hayes and Christine Bletzer end up in better shape than we thought. Boat 23 for Buns and Ammo leading the race. That's Mark Deneen and Janelle Zarkowski. Former members of the disbanded One Night Only team. And they join the UVM folks in Buns and Ammo. Buns and Ammo right now looks like they're in a 1-4-5. So Northfield Alliance is Xander Kirkland and Catherine Swanson, brother Jesse Kirkland and Ashley Phillips, and Dave Siegel sailing with Carly Chamberlain. We mentioned Buns and Ammo already, but the third member, Billy Martin and Emily Anderson. Go with a major 4-boat passback situation as the seaplane is taking off. Oh, good pick there by Dave Siegel and Carly Chamberlain. Clinton Hayes is spinning. Boat 24, Billy Martin jibing out to avoid getting pinned beyond ley line. And things are developing very quickly here. Jesse Kirkland may have just taken the lead in boat 20. Brother Xander Kirkland trying to work into second. He's on the ley line. Deneen overlaying right now. And Deneen might be sneaking into the lead here. Looks like it. Buns and Ammo takes the 1. But Northfield Alliance 2-3-4 around the windward mark. Deneen already going to work in the 1. Their team has a lot of catching up to do. Xander Kirkland fighting off Billy Martin. Teammates yelling at him to come back. Saw Martin try to jibe to starboard there, couldn't make it happen. But eventually Kirkland jibes right back again. That move though may have upset this balance. That 2-3-4 may now be a 2-3-5, a bit less stable. Jesse Kirkland trying to get back to that 2-3-4. Mark Deneen now going to work at the top on Dave Siegel. Oh, but Siegel's got an inside overlap. Clinton Hayes and Christine Bledsoe now into the mix. But not much has changed. It's still a 2-3-4 for Northfield. Now Dave Seagull has the one. Deneen trapping at the top. Deneen drawing a foul there. Xander Kirkland 360s and ends up behind, all the way back in the 6. Buns and Ammo, second life here. Now a 2-4-5. Billy Martin coming all the way over the top into the 2. We might see a double trap here for Buns and Ammo. Looks like they're now in a 2-3-6. It's a 1-4-5 for Northfield Alliance and a winning combination. We're going to try to stuff Clinton Hayes here and push this race forward. Martin and Kirkland going tack for tack on the left side. Deneen and the other Kirkland, Jesse Kirkland, on the other side. Buns and Ammo needs to get Clinton Hayes and Christine Bledsoe out of last place. So far, it hasn't happened. Xander Kirkland, Catherine Swanson, and up all the way to the left. Turn to your left and slow down. Martin tacks back here. He may have the 2. He may even be challenging for the 1. Look at that, to windward. But his teammates not looking so good. Oh, contact there. Deneen, as he tried to tack and duck, just catches a piece of boat 20. He's spinning. Does Clinton Hayes have a piece of Xander Kirkland? No, it doesn't look like it. And so right back to where we started, a 2-3-4 for Northfield Alliance, a 1-5-6 for Buns and Ammo. And protest from boat 23 in the back. Green flagged. So now to the finish. Buns and Ammo takes the 1. Northfield Alliance 2, 3, and 4.